Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly copy the link to your GitHub profile in 2025. If you want to share your profile with others or use it in your portfolio, this guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select your profile. You'll now be taken to your GitHub profile page. At the top of your browser, you'll see the URL in the address bar. This is your GitHub profile link. To copy the link, click once on the address bar to highlight the entire URL. Then either right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. To make sure you copied it correctly, open a new browser tab and paste the link by right-clicking and selecting Paste or pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Press Enter and it should take you directly to your GitHub profile. And that's it. You've successfully copied the link to your GitHub profile. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.